Hello everyone, Christina here with your quick command tip video of the week. So today I want to teach y'all how to use designs. Designs is your marketing center where you can design flyers, social media posts, all sorts of things. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right. So when you're in command, you will go down to designs right down here with the pencil on the paper. And as soon as you click it, it's going to take you to this screen. Now, this is all of your designs that you've already created. So this is not where you created new design, but just so you understand, this is all of the designs you've created for each category. Up here, you'll see emails, landing pages, social media posts. So that's what all of these are. We're going to create a new design by going down here to the blue plus sign. And there's different categories here. Today, we're going to talk about the social. So we're going to click next. So in social, we can create social media posts. You can create, social branding for Facebook. There's also Twitter and Instagram. There's different flyers for different platforms, but there is a lot of great material in here that you can edit and make your own. So on the left side, you'll see all the different categories. And if you click on it, you'll see things that are under there. So under listings, you have for sale flyers, just listed flyers, price update flyers. And for each of these at the top, you'll see different things up here as well. For example, on the for sale, you will see the different widths. So social media wide, they would all look like this. So these different, dimensions look better on different platforms. So today I'm just going to do a wide one. And I'm just going to do this first one as an example. We're going to click use. And then it's going to open up the design center. If you've never used Canva before, it's very similar to Canva. It's very user-friendly, but one of the biggest advantages I feel to designs, first of all, is that it connects right to the MLS. So that really makes your life easier when you are putting details about your listing and pictures from your listing. So when you are in here, you'll see everything's editable. You can double click and start typing, and then you can click on certain things, and drag it to make it longer, or, everything's editable. This picture, for example, let's say we want to put a picture of the listing here. We can go right over here to KWLS on the left side. That looks like a house. And this will pull up all the listings from the MLS. So I'm just going to do an example. I'm just going to type Fort Worth. And you can put the actual address there. You can search by listing agent name, all sorts of different things. But I'm just going to choose one. Let's do this one. Select. So this is going to pull all of the pictures from the MLS right into command, which is so easy. So if you click on a picture that you want to replace, you just click on it, hover over the picture you want to use, and click these little arrows, replace image. And it puts it right in there, and it stays the same format and everything. You can do that for any of these pictures. Now, if you're not replacing a current picture, let's say you want to resize this and then add another picture, you just click out of it so that it's not highlighted anymore. And then you would just click on the picture and it puts it on here. So from there, you can resize it however you want. And then you have multiple pictures on there. This is also a great feature, listing details. This way, you know exactly all the information live from the MLS, right from command. You know the address, the current price, the sold price if it's already sold. It's going to show you the year built, square foot, everything. You can even push right here on the property description, and it will put the entire description from the MLS on here. So it makes it very user-friendly. Under images at the top over here, your picture should already be in there, and if it's not, let us know. I can definitely help you get that in there, but you can click that and add your picture, resize it all you want, and drop that in there. So let's say we're finished, okay? We go up to the top and click download, and then it's going to download it right here. I'm going to do it as a JPEG. So it's going to download it, and once it is downloaded, then you are able to put it onto your social media. You can click on this at the bottom and drag it onto Facebook. You can actually also share to social media right from here at the top and click on which platform. You can put it into an email. You can add it to a smart plan. There's so many things you can do. So this is a quick tutorial on this, but I will teach classes more in depth on how to personalize these. If you have any questions, feel free to call me anytime or email me. Let's set an appointment, and I would love to teach you more about Command, okay? Thanks so much and have a great day.